How to sign up for Taobao without phone number. So first up, you're going to want to go to taobao.com, as you can see here, and you would want to translate the site into English. And once you do that, you would want to go to login, as you can see here, the top left corner, click that. And it will ask you to key in your phone number or account name. And to bypass this is to sign up via Alipay. So you click this Alipay logo here. And once you're in here, you would just need to scan this QR code via the Alipay app on your phone, and you would have successfully signed up to Taobao via the Alipay app. And you can also sign in to your Taobao account via your email. Once you've gone into accounts, you can see you are able to sign in to your Taobao account via Google email. So you can just click that and you will be automatically signed up for Taobao just using your email. And that is how you sign up for Taobao without phone number.